Good morning, party people. It's a very rainy day today. It's supposed to rain all the way up until this evening. So, plans will change a little bit today, but you know, what doesn't? We're gonna get out and make breakfast in this downpour. So, it's gonna be a GoPro video today because I don't dare ruin my Sony with some weather. You know what I'm saying? You want to go cook breakfast with me in the rain and become a white dog, and then I have to be in the car with you as a white dog all day? Sounds fun to me. Props to myself for putting my rain jacket out early last night. Sometimes I think smart, you know? Let's go play in the rain. Come on, Pepperloo. Go potty. Get muddy. Oh, crap. This is like the stuff that gets caked on the bottom here. Boots! Stuff is the worst. Okay. Let's do this. Let's get her done. This mud is just like 3 inches caked on the bottom of my boots right now. So you gotta love it. I really do love the rain though. There is nothing better. I gotta clean my pan really quick. Gotta get all this street taco crap off from yesterday. What's on the menu today, you ask? I'm glad you asked. Let me show you because I'm pumped. Chocolate chip pancakes. Let's frickin' do it, dude. I have a feeling once I make these once, I'm just gonna make these like every morning. And it might be my new thing. Like coffee and pancakes? We can make it a series. Oh my gosh, this mud. Like this is just from standing. It's crazy. Stuff is like clay. All right. Oh, I'm gonna need spray too. Well, this pan is cleaning itself. I'm gonna get this mix started. I have no measuring cups, so we're really just gonna eyeball this. Oh, well, you're gonna be a muddy mess, aren't ya? Yeah. Nothing we can really do about it though, kid. I only want like 2 pancakes, so hopefully I don't overcommit. Don't spill, don't spill. Cool. Alright, I feel like this isn't enough batter for 2 pancakes, so... Oh! I'm gonna start doing that thing you do when you like can't get the ratio right, so you end up making like 1,000,000 pancakes because you add more batter and then more water and then more batter and then not batter, mix. You add more mix and then more water and then more mix and more water. It should be alright. It's a little runny. It's okay. This actually is good. A little runny, but oh well. Also, I don't have like clips for food stuff. I just use hair ties. Gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, let's get this baby fired up. Oh my gosh, is it already time to flip? Holy cow. That was so fast. Oh my gosh, don't be sticky. I'm not dealing with stick. Yeah, I think I just had the heat up too high. So. Isn't it like a thing you always throw away the first pancake anyways? Just a little burnt. Oh well, doing our best here. What do you expect? Alright, we'll pull that one off and give it a test. Pancakes in the rain. Oh, Blue, you're disgusting. So am I. It's so pretty here. Oh my gosh, I love Montana. I should probably move here someday, huh, bub? Oh, this one's better. Still a little burnt, but definitely better. Like, formed better than that one. I think it might be, like, dark just because there's so much crap on the pan from me not properly cleaning it for so long. Let's just hope these pancakes don't taste like beans from last night. Alright. I'd say we're good. Making pancakes in the back of my Subaru in the rain. Taste test! Dude, heck yeah. This is good. Alright, Pepperloo, should we get you out of the rain? Because you're gonna be nasty. Oh. Gotta love it! Should have let you in on the other side. Holy cow, this is nuts. You see what Calvin meant now. Calvin was like, if it's raining all day, you're going to want to get out of there because of the roads. I'm like, it's a little rain. And now that I have 3 inches of clay caked on my boots from just standing in one spot, I guess I kind of understand. Oh, Bubby. You big old wet dog. Here, I'm gonna have to get root clean tomorrow. It's gonna be nasty today. Gosh, who doesn't love freaking chocolate chip pancakes? It's the breakfast of champions. And it doesn't taste like beans from last night, so you know what? To me, that's a win. Clay is absurd, or muck or whatever. Honestly, I feel like I'm gonna take these boots off because I don't even know that I could drive with all this crap on the bottom. We're gonna need some serious cleaning, bub. It's supposed to rain all day today until 8 p.m. And we've got to move on because we have to be 2 hours west by tomorrow. So I think honestly we're gonna go edit for a few hours in town at like a Starbucks or something, just so I can get Blue out of the car and also be productive, and then we'll figure out something from there because we can't just be stuck in the car all day, bub, and we also can't just be wet all day. Let's leave our beautiful BLM campsite. Yeah. Even though we don't want to, but the weather sucks. So, yeah. Good boy. There's literally damage to the front of my car. Really? Yeah.
So how stuck are you?
I'm done. Like, I'm cooked. I can't get out.